award for startups. Like you were seeing a lot of startups here, and the company called Merxius, Merxius, Merxius has been selected for this startup award. Give them a big hand, please. So are they here to receive the award? Merxius, Merxius. They are a startup here. So they are into augmented reality.
Thank you for this. We'd really like to thank ITSAP and the government and ELETS for bringing us here. They're the reason we're here right now. They funded our stall, and if they hadn't given us a push, we probably wouldn't be here. Thank you to everybody who's visited our stall and commented on the creativity that we have. We're a web development firm, and what we were pushing today, dressed as the black-robed graduation day students, if any of y'all saw us roaming around, was an alumni management system. And normally we also create websites and web applications, Facebook applications, etc. and 3D websites, so a lot of you must have seen that also. So thank you so much for all the appreciation. And just on a closing note, our company is pronounced as Merxius. So it's Merxius, Merxius. And we're based in Lakri Kapul. It's a Hyderabad-based company, so Hyderabad Innovation. Thank you.
Our award for SMEs. This company is called Identis. May I invite Identis people here on the stage, please? They are into RFID. Yeah, just a few words.
Very good evening, everybody. It was a wonderful show. We are basically into RFID tags manufacturing company. This award is for supplying around 2 lakh cards for Western Railway, Mumbai, used for smart ticketing. And we are a startup firm. We are very happy with the event, this event. Thank you very much.
And we have this award for the best stalls in the expo. And we have the best stall announcement is for, in the private sector, is to Hitachi. Give them a big hand, please. So maybe invite the Hitachi delegates to kindly come on the stage and take the award.
Hello everybody, I'm Lalit, as Hitachi guys. I'm thankful to the juries that he can even selected as a beautiful stall. And here we have representing 3 products, which is the interactivity. It's ultra short through. Second one is the interactivity with the projectors. Third one is interactivity with the boards. So I hope if somebody have visited, they appreciate the products and the quality of Hitachi. Thank you so much.
Part of the overall show. I'd like to thank all the delegates, all the speakers, people who have come in from outside, people who have come in from within our own state. I'd like to thank all of them. I'd like to thank the members of the media who have supported us. I'd like to thank HiBiz TV for streaming the entire event live and recording it for posterity. I'd like to thank the staff, the management of HICC, Novotel, who have supported us in this entire enterprise. Like to thank all, I mean, I might have forgotten a few names here and there, but I'd like to thank everybody here for making this event a huge hit, a huge success. And I'm pretty sure that this is not the last thing. We'll keep doing these things to elevate Hyderabad. It's already there, but to elevate Hyderabad to the world's most attractive investment destination. Thank you very much.